All right, that's right. Dog poop on the tires. Yeah, I stepped in it. Or should I say I rolled in it. Went to do a leaf cleanup. I didn't see it. It had to be hiding in the leaves, y'all. But when I got back, it was dark, so I got what I could get in the off the tires, the dog poop off the tires, but I still had some left over and it was stinking up my garage. So the unique thing about dog poop is that's what I use right there. It was in the garage, wheel and tire cleaner, Meguiar's hot rims, wheel and tire cleaner. It was in the garage. Instead of running to the stove, I just said, let me just spray this on. Let me get back to my rant. But anyway, it had to be in the leaves because I did not see it in the yard. And normally dog poop is not hard to spot. But once you have spotted it, or you stepped in it or rolled in it, it starts knocking on your nostrils. Yes, dog poop will let you know it's around. It's the original Zaza. It's strong, I'm telling you. Dog poop. But anyway, that recommended to sit on, your tire wheel for 30 seconds. So now I'm spraying it off with one of those little electric pressure washers. Nothing fancy here. I think that's that AR Blue Clean pressure washers. Old. I don't even think they sell that model anymore. But anyway, yeah, I had to back it up there, back up the lawnmower to get that boo-boo out. I want to make sure I really get the boo-boo out the tire tread there. It's crazy though. It was stinking. I'm riding around and I'm like, I know I smell dog doo-doo. So then when I put it on the trailer, I smelled dog doo-doo. Got back, unloaded it, tried to clean it the best I could. It was dark. Then I said, this today, Sunday. What's the day? The 15th? So I'm cleaning out the dog boo-boo. Yeah, it's the 15th. 15th of March. So I'm really spraying real well, getting down in them crevices, them cracks on that tread pattern there. And the left side didn't have any that I know of, but I said, let's go ahead and clean that too. Just to be on the safe side. We're going to get rid of the poop. But, the dog doodle, it's amazing how it smells like that. It just be catching. It's real frustrating because I just kept smelling it. And if you ever stepped in it before or you ever rolled, you know what dog doodle smell like. There's no mystery. There's no debate about dog doodle. It's distinct from chicken, cat, cow, pig. The hog, woof. We ain't gonna even get on the hogs. But we finished. I didn't have a degreaser. If I do, I couldn't find it. So I went in and used that wheel and tire cleaner that I had. It was already at my disposal. So I did what I did to defunk the dog poop. So there you go. We finished. That's just grass, a little dirt from me parking it, coming off the yard and parking it in the garage. But no more dog poop. No more dog poop. Man, I had to do a little rant. Just a quick little rant. That's probably the third time I've done that. Dog poop. But yeah, I used that 7th generation I had around the house too to just disinfect the air in the garage, spray the tire down one more time. You ain't got to do that. I just did that. That dog poop, I'm telling you, is different, man. It hit different. It stank. It's funky. So, if you can, in the comments, keep it clean. Tell me about your experience of rolling in dog poo on your lawnmower tire. You out there cutting, Put it in the comments. Tell me what you use to clean up the mess. Like, share, subscribe. Space time. Thank y'all. Got that dog poop on my lawnmower tires. Share your stories. But again, keep it cool, keep it clean, or I will block you. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to get disrespectful about the poop.